of it. Not sure if you guys can see that, but look at the actual inside of it. It's a bit different. Okay, so got that, and obviously the heat shield that goes with it. And that's the Vance Hines heat shield, goes over the top. Laughing. Alright, so give you an idea. This is the original with the shield on, and this is the Vance Hines. As you can see straight away, there is a massive height difference. Okay, and thickness as well. Huge difference. And what we're going to do now with the shield, we're going to weigh them. Give me a second. Okay, so 0. Let's try boots. My wife's veggie mix with the heat shield. It's 3,625 grams. Okay, put that aside. This pipe with the heat shield. It's 2,489 grams. So a huge difference in weight. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install them and have a sound test. Be back shortly. Okay, so now the Vance Hines are on. Now I'm not sure if I've done this right because the instructions don't really tell you. This is an extra plate that comes with the, obviously with the pipes. I haven't turned this on yet. Oh, I just wiped it down. I haven't turned them on yet, so I'm a little bit nervous because I'm not a professional at installing these, but look pretty simple. The only thing is when I was taking off the original exhausts, these were a pain in the ass, and I don't know if because I didn't have the right tools, but it kept on touching against the brake, so that took me forever to fix up. By FYI, got a new seat for it today. Got the Street Bob seat because obviously we all know the Soft Tail Slim seat is absolutely ridiculous. Anyway, and hard as a rock. But anyway, let's get back to the exhaust. So yeah, so I stuffed up a little bit here. This is supposed to be going down, but anyway, looks all right to me. Looks all good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it on for the first time. Just make sure everything's all nice and clean, so my fingerprints can stay there. Before I put that on, turn it on, just show you the difference with the exhaust size. Now these weigh a ton compared to all the baffle in there. I don't know if I really needed to take that out. Oh shit. Anyway. So we are looking, so that's where the exhaust would go. If I stand correctly, yep. Bit of a difference. So yeah, anyway. Sure everything's okay here. So yeah, let's do it. Put that here actually, so you guys can hear it properly. Sure everything's where it's supposed to be. Here we go. So now I've got for work purposes, I've got my Vance Hines slip on there, and Jez got hers. This is my cruising weekend bike. So yeah, so put thumbs up, please press subscribe or even share the videos. It helps my channels grow. And before I go any further, I want to say thank you. I say this personally. I want to say thank you to everyone that shared my last video when I was updating the street 750, street rod 750 and the 500. A lot of people did share my videos, a lot of thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I pay for these things, I don't get discounts. So yeah, anyway, take care guys, and I'll see you on the next ride. Keep safe and don't forget to subscribe if you can. Thank you.